Stacked was created to navigate this whole new space that's in digital media right now, and how it's really changing from traditional media within the digital realm. So for instance, in traditional TV, and traditionally when brands work in television, it's very much a 30-second spot, it's very much an interruptive advertising format. When you transit into the online space and all the different breakdown of how distribution and the power of the networks no longer in the space, but it's content creators and brands who are in the space kind of creating it, we are now in a place where we can work much more upstream with content creators to figure out less interruptive roles of being a part of entertainment, being a part of useful utilities, being a part of information to the audience that we kind of help each other. Really what's happening right now is, in this kind of crazy, scary recession, what's beautiful about the online space and video is the ability to optimize, the ability to not spend all your production and media dollars up front, but put some, save some for the middle of the campaign, for almost the end of the campaign, so you can rethink where that content goes, and you can also rethink whether you need to create new content to really grab your audience. Whereas, traditionally in television, you put like 2 spots out there and hopefully they'll do well. There's not much optimization. So because of the amount of granular optimization and even measurement now that you're really seeing case studies and results from, I think more and more clients are looking at that as a much more cost-effective route.